Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. GTA 5 Online, how to not get killed. So today I'll be showing you how to not get killed in GTA 5 Online in a public session. So right now, I'm gonna show you one way of not getting killed in a GTA 5 public session. Thursday you can call Lester, like I'm doing right now, and ask to be off the radar. So other players cannot kill me when I'm doing a job. And the other way is to go to your CEO abilities, but if you only have the CEO option, so you can do that, you can go ghost mode. So the people on the map will not be able to see you. And the second thing you can do is go get a vehicle. Any kind of vehicle that will allow you to not get blown up or be shooten by other people. Right now I'm gonna get my car. There we go. As you can see right now, this car can withstand grenades and bullets. So, well, yeah, so those are the ways that you cannot get killed in GTA 5 Online on a public session. So thank you guys, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.